Carbon reporting isn't just about numbers. It's about precision, security, and flexibility. That's why our software is packed with powerful features designed for your business. From automated data capture to audit-ready compliance, every feature is built to simplify complexity and give you complete confidence in your carbon data. Our key features include access up-to-date emission data, compliance reporting, comprehensive emission tracking, data capture and integration, Excel bulk upload, data quality and audit trail, end-to-end encryption and secure authentication, net calorific value customization, resilient certified hosting, role-based access control, target setting and tracking, updated emission factor library, user and supplier engagement, user audit trails, map your organization, hassle-free onboarding and customer success. Ready to unlock powerful carbon reporting features? Book your demo today.